Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm walking you through how to organize Notion templates to boost your team's productivity. Let's get started. First, create an central team workspace in Notion. This will be your hub for all projects, documents, and communication. Next, use database templates to standardize workflows. For example, project trackers with status columns, to do, in progress, or done. Meeting and note templates with agendas, action items, and deadlines. Content calendars with publishing dates and assigned owners. Create a template gallery page where team members can easily duplicate and use pre-made templates. Organize them by departments like marketing, sales, or engineering so everyone can find what they need quickly. Use linked database and relations to connect related information. For example, link tasks in a project plan to relevant meeting notes or client documents. Set up automations with tools like Zapier or Notion's API to reduce manual work, like creating new task entries from submission or Slack message. Finally, train your team on how to use the templates effectively and encourage feedback to keep improving your system. Pro tip: use icons, colors, and covers to make templates visually intuitive and easy to navigate. And that's it. You've just organized Notion templates to supercharge your teams efficiently. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more productivity tips. Let me know in the comments how your team uses Notion. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.